Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Dodge Charger GT all-wheel drive. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in pitch black, looks fantastic. You got those projector-style headlights up front here with the Dodge badging. And coming around the side we do have our Michelin brand tires with our 19-inch rims. They look fantastic. Got the GT badging, as well as you do have your heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got the Charger badging. You got your backup camera with the Dodge. You can press this button here and it will open up for us. Just like that. Looks great back here. Lots and lots of room. You can fold those seats forward as well if you did need. And then you can lift this guy up. And there is some storage under there with your battery and your spare tire. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We do have our remote start there. That one opens up the back, and we got our panic there. So let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. Got your handle here, another handle here, and some storage down here. Looks fantastic in here as well. Very spacious, and the seats are very comfortable. They are electric, so you do have backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support there. And then over here we got the controls of the lights of the auto, off, daytime ring lights and low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control, and that one opens up the back. And then up here we do have the controls over the turning signals and our windshield wipers, as well as our high beams. It is a push to start, so foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. We do also have how many kilometers we have, which is 27,000, not too bad at all. The temperature outside and what station we're on, but we can switch that around to our vehicle info. We have our performance page there, fuel economy, trip info, our audio, messages, screen setup, and back to the speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. Paddle shifters right here and here. And then in the center you do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display. So you do have your XM, your AM, and your FM, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, aux cord, USB, any of those guys, as well as you got your climate control here. It is a dual climate system for you and your passenger, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You got your Uconnect apps right over here with your performance pages. They are very cool and tell you all sorts of different information about your vehicle. And then you do also have your controls right here over your heated seats and mirror dimmer. Navigation right over here, and your phone options if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. You have your backup camera when you shift into reverse. And then down here we do have the volume up and down with the power mute, sport mode. You have your super track pack button, park sensors, you have your screen off and your traction control, as well as your tuner there. You have your front and rear defrosts, your temperature control, power, off, auto, AC, and our circulation. Some storage down here, gear shift with a little bit of storage here. You have your cup holders that this guy can go over, and then they're out of the way. You also have your armrest, doubles as a storage container, lots of room in there. And then your locking glove box right over here with your owner's manual inside of it. And up top you do have the control over the sunroof and your universal garage door opener. And there's our sunroof looking great. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, the control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. Looks fantastic back here as well. Very spacious. And you can fold this guy down as well if you did need. Then you got an armrest with some cup holders if you didn't need all 3 people back here. And then you can also fold this guy down just like that, and then you got extra room or access to the back. And there's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2018 Dodge Charger DT. If you want to come and take a close look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.